Moving on up, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. That could be our theme song for most of our week here. Let's take a look at our departure from average highs at Atlantic City International Airport. Now, mind you, average high temperatures are around 65 to 66 degrees. So let's look at what we're going to have for the week ahead. We were a little bit below average on Monday. Today, we are 7 degrees above average. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I didn't even use an orange. I just went straight to red because we're well above average here. 20 degrees above average on Wednesday, 16 on Thursday. And then we're closer back to reality on Friday, where our high should be around 70 degrees. So what does that translate to for our what to wear forecast? Well, jeans and a t-shirt will do for our Tuesday, but look what I have for our Wednesday here. That is a bathing suit, and no, I'm not just exaggerating. It will actually be 80 degrees in Atlantic City on Wednesday here, and I think that is good enough for a beach day here, a rare April beach day in South Jersey. Shorts and a t-shirt for our Thursday. That will be our what to wear forecast for then. And then for Friday, you're going to need a little bit of everything. Jeans, t-shirt. You also want the umbrella. And yes, later in the day, the sun will come out and you will want the sunglasses as well. The jet stream, this river of air that separates cold air to the north and warm air to the south, will be to our north as we go into our Tuesday and Wednesday. As a result, and it locks all of this warm air in the southern plains, and temperatures will be well above average as we go into, again, Wednesday and Thursday. Even our Tuesday morning is looking pretty good. Just a light jacket, and then as we get towards 9 a.m. here, you can probably start to shed that jacket as we get into the 60s. High temperatures will top out in the low 70s on the mainland, mid 60s over at the shore. Again, plenty of sunshine to go around here as winds turn to the south and west. The only thing is we do have that pollen around, and tree pollen will be high for our Tuesday here, and you're probably noticing those oak trees now starting to bloom. That really adds to the pollen count, and I would imagine by the end of the week, this overall pollen does get the high as we bump up our grass and we bump up our trees as well. Tuesday night will be a mild night, a good night to be out and about, a good night for some outdoor dining. Temperatures falling through the 60s during the evening. Overnight lows will be in the mid 50s. And then look what happens for our Wednesday. Where do we have 80s? Well, Greenwich, Vineland, Woodbine, Atlantic City International Airport, Hamilton, Stafford, and Atlantic City itself. Why is the shore so warm? Well, we have this west-southwesterly wind that will pin back the sea breeze. If we had a southwesterly wind, well, you kind of look at the axis of South Jersey. It does go a little bit southwest to northeast, probably cut into some more of that chilly ocean water. Not so much for us here in South Jersey. The only places that will get that cooling sea breeze is right along the Delaware Bay, like in Fortescue. So as I step out here, let's talk about that 86-degree temperature, 20 degrees above average. And it is actually about 2 weeks ahead of where we usually see our first 86-degree day at the airport. No dice for the record, though. I think we're going to be just shy of that. That's at 88 degrees. UV index, if you're heading out, is a high. It's number 6. Burn time's about 30 minutes, and especially early in the season, you want to make sure you have the sunscreen on if you are going to be out for a long period of time. Going into our Thursday night into Friday, low pressure passes right to our north here. We get a line of showers sometime early Friday morning. Could be Thursday night, too. I do believe most of our Friday will be dry here in South Jersey, but there will be a few showers and storms to contend with. Let's take a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. 82 on Thursday, 70 on Friday after that cold front passes, and we get a strong northwesterly wind to blow here. That will culminate in a Saturday that's about 5 degrees below average when it looks at our low temperatures here, or Saturday morning lows, and then will be seasonable for our Saturday itself. Flipping on over to the shore, dry weekend at the shore as well. Temperatures fairly seasonable for highs, and we'll ride that as we go into Monday. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can find me on social media. If you go to our website, thepressofac.com/weather, we have articles, radar, podcasts, and more.